Hi guys! Welcome to the Pano Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, I'll be sharing to you my hair care routine. So as you can see, I have a new hair color and it's kind of a bit a new length as well since I had it cut. And also I have curtain bangs and these money piece, as what they call it. But anyway, if you're following me on Instagram, then you know that I had my hair done. But if not, I know I've been MIA on YouTube for I think a month already. I'm super sorry. So I'll be sharing to you how I maintain my hair, this color, and also what I use, like the products that I use, and how I do basically this kind of hair, which I am super obsessed with and I love it so much. So let's get started. So the first thing that I do is I use this Olaplex number 3 hair perfector. So this is actually something that you use before shampooing. Starting with the Olaplex number 3, I wet my hair and then I towel dry it. I also section my hair because it is so thick, as you can see, and I apply a generous amount on my hair, especially the ends or where the color is or where you bleached it. And then I leave this on for about 20 minutes. You can leave this for just 10 and some people do it overnight. But personally, I only leave it on my hair for 20 minutes. So I use this twice a week. It's recommended 2 to 3 times a week if you have like colored bleach hair like that. So that's how I use it and it's already almost empty. Then after that, you wash it and then use your number 4 shampoo from Olaplex. After shampooing, of course, you have to use a conditioner, and the one that I use is the number 5 from Olaplex again. And this is not sponsored by Olaplex. I just love using their products and my hairstylist recommends it as well. So I invested on it even though it's a little expensive compared to like the normal hair care products. You can leave that for 3 minutes before washing it. Hi guys, so I'm done taking a bath and this is how my hair looks like right now. It's kind of a bit towel dried already. So this is the perfect time to use our next products. I will use this Olaplex number 6. This is called the Bond Smoother. This is a leave-in reparative styling cream. Reduces frizz, nourishes, and protects. Use like this amount on one side of my hair. And then I'll mix this one with the Olaplex number 7. I actually lost the box already, but this is nice when you style your hair, especially when you're using heat or when you're blow drying your hair. So I'll just use a couple of drops, just like that. And my hair is thick, but if you have a thin hair, I feel like this amount will cover all of your hair already. But for me, since I have really long hair and thick hair, I need a lot. Sorry guys, my dad called. But anyway, yeah, he's asking what's for dinner and if I want McDonald's. Anyway, I'll be doing the other side, just the same thing. I'm just putting some on the bleach areas, like this money piece is what they called it. It looks very yellowish or copperish in the camera, but trust me guys, it's not. It's more like ashy in person. So that is how I prep my hair for my styling, like when I use my Dyson. So now let's use our Dyson. So this is the one that I use for my left side, so it's going to the left as well, like it's going away. The arrow is pointing to the left as well. So since I have thick hair, usually do the bottom side first, since it's the one that I don't really need to curl a lot. I usually just use the second option for the heat and then always max with the pressure or the air. And after a few seconds, I switch it to the cold setting so that it locks the curl. So it's just like soft curls or soft waves, just like that. And then I do the same thing all over again. And then I usually do it upwards, but then I saw my hairstylist do it downwards. So I've been doing it like that. Like that. So this is how my hair looks like, and for my finishing touches, I use this Dana hair mask oil. I still can't pronounce this, but it's this with the coconut and sesame hair mask oil, and I use this so that my hair looks really shiny and healthy, and it will make my curl last longer. And I have a lot of like baby hairs, so it kind of tames it down. And it also smells so good. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to click the like button, comment down below your favorite hair care products, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. God bless!